How to solve Dell's 5-time beeping problem? Well, you would need to change one of these batteries. It has CMOS battery inside, which is probably at the end of its life, and we would need to replace it. You would need a Phillips screwdriver and some kind of prying tool. There are just 2 screws to remove. Open the hatch here. And here is the CMOS battery CR2032 that we need to replace. You will need some kind of flat screwdriver just to pop it out. And I will use a new one. That's it. So let's power on the laptop and let's see if we got rid of that annoying beeping sound. Okay, laptop is now working fine. No sound. I hope you found this useful. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All the best.